Hi, I'm Tara Klein with Vista Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to another fabulous new listing, 3675 Stewart Avenue, Mar Vista, West Los Angeles. Come on in. The stylish living room centers around the magnificent updated fireplace and opens up to a full-size dining room that is between the kitchen and outdoor living space. That is perfect for entertaining friends, conference calls, or just hanging out. The beautiful and spacious kitchen features custom cabinetry, marble countertops, wine refrigerator, microwave drawer, and a waterfall island with seating. The French doors open to the front pergola, which is perfect for outdoor dining. A stylish full bathroom with artsy tile work is conveniently located between the living space and guest bedroom. Generous master bedroom suite has his and her built-ins for clothing, shoes, and accessories, and a chic master bathroom. In addition to the constructed outdoor living spaces, there is also a backyard area with artificial turf, perfect for children and pets. The garage is equipped with the state-of-the-art stackable washer and dryer. This turnkey luxury home is centrally located in one of West LA's best neighborhoods, known for its proximity to the beach, freeway access, and undeniable charm. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions about this home, my contact information is at the end of the video.